Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant is a Microsoft troubleshooting tool that helps you diagnose and fix Office, Microsoft 365, or Outlook problems. You can even troubleshoot Windows 10 activation problems. You can download it from the Microsoft website. Just type in the search engine Microsoft Support and Recovery keywords to access the download page. Once you download the tool, install it and run it. The main window looks like this, with many icons representing Microsoft Office products. You can fix problems with Teams add-in for Outlook. You can fix Office installation and activation problems, fix OneDrive synchronization problems, Outlook on the web. You can run advanced diagnostics. This option allows you to fix Windows 10 activation problems. If I select it and click Next, I have only one option selected that says I have installed Windows, but I can't activate it. If you click on the Next button, the tool will diagnose the problem and try to fix it. This option here allows you to resolve over 10 different problems on Outlook. This specific option works if you have Office 365 installed. So you can fix problems that prevent Outlook from starting. Use this one if Outlook keeps asking for password. This one fixes Outlook that stops responding or freezes. So you select whatever problem you face with Outlook and click Next to let the tool help you fix it. You can also troubleshoot problems related to password synchronization on mobile devices, and even troubleshoot Outlook for Mac. Now, let's say you have a problem in Outlook that you want to troubleshoot. If you have Office 365 installed on the computer, then use this option here. It's dedicated to troubleshooting Outlook for Office 365. If, like me, you have Office 2019 or earlier versions, use Advanced Diagnostic options. On this page, the tool asks you to choose the diagnostic you would like to run. You can run the diagnostic for Outlook. For Office, that includes the other Office applications like Word and Excel. And you can diagnose Exchange Online. So I select Outlook and click on the Next button. The assistant asks me if the problem affects this machine. I select Yes and click Next. The assistant starts by checking whether Outlook is running. If not, it will ask you to run Outlook before continuing with the next steps. Then it will check your Office configuration, looking for potential problems. As mentioned, this task can take several minutes, so you have to be patient. I'm now going to pause the video and resume when the task is complete. When the assistant completes checking Outlook for problems, it will display a list of the issues found. It seems that it has found some issues in my Outlook configuration. To see more details about the issues, click on this tiny triangle to expand the cell content, and you can read the information on the issue. The detailed view panel can show you more details. I have the computer name. Here there are details about the machine. Okay. The configuration summary shows information about the computer configuration, like the operating system version, hardware information, user information. Here the Office version installed. And here the email address I use in Outlook. Here some registry keys. Okay. Let's go back to the issues list and see how I can use the information given by the assistant to solve them. Let's take this issue here. Outlook is slow to close because of the first shutdown behavior registry value. Let's see more details. The explanation says that the fast shutdown behavior registry value is not 0. With this configuration, you could experience slower shutdowns of Outlook. At the bottom, there is a link to a Microsoft web page that gives you a step-by-step guide to fix this issue. So when the assistant can't automatically fix the problem for you, it will give you the needed details to help you manually fix the issue. I click Next. The final step consists of generating a report about my Outlook configuration and the issues found. The assistant alerts me that the report may contain personal information, like the email address you may not want to share. So review the content of the report files in case you need to share them with someone. There are two types of logs. There is the HTML log file that will display the configuration details on a web page, and there is the text log file. You can click on the View Log link to review the log details before you send them. Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant is a great tool to use to fix Office problems or to improve Office application performance. If I took the example of my Outlook configuration, I don't experience problems with my Outlook, but the Assistant tool discovered some potential issues that can impact my Outlook performance. So by fixing them, I can improve my user experience with Outlook.